Oh, it's still recording.
We're still recording. I just got my camera. Woo! Yay, did I need this? So hey, today we're going to tell you about events and how to use Facebook to get your event attended. Farah, tell everybody.
Yes, a lot of people go to Facebook to see what's happening in their town this weekend or throughout the week. First, you want to have a picture or a video to show what your event's about. Then you want to keep your title short and concise. Add a location to your event. This is the most important thing because this is how people are going to discover your event. Finally, add keywords to your event. This is so important because Facebook uses this to push it out to people who are interested in your event based on your keywords.
It could even be somebody who isn't one of your friends.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So once you're done creating it, it's just as important to share your event to your page. So you're going to go to your share your post, share it to a page you manage, select whichever pages you want to share it to, and go ahead and share.
And one thing that's really cool to know is that if you see something that you kind of are interested in, there's a button for interested. And when you hit interested, all the people who you know see that you're interested in something. That's kind of neat. And then they might be interested too. And then the person who's putting on the event actually gets people to come. So help people out, go to events, or at least be interested in them. Thanks and have a great time at your event.